Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we will talk about a serious problem that occurs in youth, which later on makes us incompetent and disable us, and that is the problem of pain, and that at the age of 30 to 35. Back pain, severe pain in the legs, and even the problem with which was once only found in the elderly, that is knee pain. It has started appearing in the youth and then in old age. We hear that knees have been replaced and knees have been treated, and even in most cases, there is no need for knee replacement. But we will tell you about a solution which will take only a few minutes of your time. This solution is absolutely natural, a home remedy which helps in reducing waist pain. It will also cure the pain and make the knee pain disappear. Even if there is pain in the joints or bones of your legs, fatigue appears in the body looks sick and weak, and even in this pain, you still have to work. This problem is even more serious in women because of the structure of the body is such that the problem of back pain and joint pain is very common in them. And to cure it completely, we will use mustard skin or mustard oil cake. I will tell you about two solutions, out of which the first solution I will talk about French, which will bring immediate relief to our body, and the second solution will heal you internally from on the inside, that is, eliminate the pain from within so that you will not have any problem relating to the knees in the future. And you will also remain healthy and happy for a very long time. For this, you will have to get the mustard oil cake. You can get it in the grocery store. Here, you have to take 100 grams of mustard oil cake. Mustard oil cake is, or mustard oil is extracted from the peel. So here we have 100 grams of mustard oil cake. And the second thing is to be taken with sesame oil or any oil that you have at home. Now, in a container, you're going to add 1 glass of water, add the 100 grams of mustard oil cake, and leave it overnight. And in the morning, you will see that the water completely absorbed the cake up. It will look like a soft mortar. Along with this mortar, you should also add the sesame oil or the mustard oil. Now, in a saucepan, add 20 grams of mustard or sesame oil, add 1/5 of the quantity and mix it well. That is the 1/5 of the mustard oil, the cake that the mortar mixture that you have. And you're gonna add it on low heat. Keep stirring it with a spoon and make a paste out of it for 8 to 10 minutes. There are two ways you can apply this paste. Take any cloth and put the paste in and make a bundle and apply it to anywhere you are experiencing pain in the joints, back pain, shoulder pain, or any part of your body where you have pain. You can also apply it as hot as you can tolerate. And while doing this, keep pressing the area lightly so that the oil come out of it and will reach the joints of your body. And the effect it will have, it will go into your bones and muscles. The second way you can apply this paste directly to the affected joint and muscle areas. Use a cotton and dip into the paste and apply it directly and cover the area like a hot bandage. And within a week, you will see that this paste will help you in your joints, knees, shoulders, muscles, back pain, wherever you actually have the pain. Now we'll have to take a remedy to prevent that pain from coming back again and again. Now, the first thing you have to do is to bring to eat 1 glass of milk. So you're going to pour the glass of hot milk in a pan. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of acacia gum, and this acacia gum is shown or proven to cure more than 30 diseases in the body. So, no matter what kind of back pain you have, whether your body's ability has completely reduced or if you feel very tired in the body, this acacia gum will bring back strength in your body. Pain in the joints and bones will completely cure from internal, from on the inside. And along with this, take two more things. The first one is almond. Almond works like a multivitamin to relieve the pain in your body. The second thing is coconut. That is dried coconut. Take half cup of dry coconut, add 8 almonds and grind it together into a paste and add it to the hot glass of milk mixture and add 1 spoon of acacia gum. Leave it in the milk for 8 to 10 minutes. Take 1 spoon of it with a glass of milk once a day. You can take it in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also take it half an hour before sleeping at night. Consume this drink every night for 15 days continually. This will eliminate the internal pain from your body in your joints and bones. If you have pain in the calves, this too will also help and your body will become stronger and healthy. You can use both remedies to get relief quickly. So, whichever method you prefer, you can use them to relieve the pain that you're feeling within your joints. Now, that's all we have for now for today. We have come to the end of this video. So, if you liked this information, then do like the video and share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell so that you know when new videos are being uploaded. Thank you so much for watching.